Back on my channel Dezco Morgan, I will explain about Chrome browser notifications off. Notifications security.
Chrome browser notifications off. Notifications security. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Dezco Morgan. Today we're diving into a super important topic: how to turn off notifications in Google Chrome and why it's essential for your security. If you've ever been bombarded with annoying pop-ups or concerned about your privacy, this video is for you. 1. Understanding Chrome notifications. Cut to screen recording of Chrome browser. First things first. What are Chrome notifications? Well, when you visit certain websites, they often ask for permission to send notifications. These can be useful, like getting updates from your favorite news site, but they can also be intrusive and even dangerous. Some malicious websites use notifications to send spam or phishing attacks.
Why you should disable notifications. Cut to animation showing pop-ups flooding the screen. So why should you turn them off? Here are 3 key reasons. Avoid distractions. Too many notifications can interrupt your workflow. Enhance security. Malicious sites use push notifications to trick users. Improve privacy. Some notifications collect personal data without your consent. Let's now walk through the steps to disable them. How to turn off Chrome notifications. Cut to screen recording showing step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Scroll down and click Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings. Step 3. Under Permissions, find Notifications. Here you'll see a list of allowed and blocked sites. To block all notifications, toggle Don't allow sites to send notifications. Step 4. If you want to block specific sites, click the 3-dot menu next to the site name and select Block. And just like that, you've secured your browsing experience. But what about mobile devices? Let's check it out. 4. Turning off notifications on mobile. Cut to screen recording of mobile Chrome settings. Step 1. 1. Open Google Chrome on your smartphone. 2. tap the three-dot menu and go to Settings. Step 2. 1. Scroll down to Site Settings. 2. Tap Notifications. Step 3. 1. Toggle off. Sites can ask to send notifications. 2. To block specific sites, tap on the site name and select Block. 5. Additional security tips. Back to presenter with an infographic on the screen. While you're at it, here are some extra tips to stay safe online. 1. Use an ad blocker to reduce pop-ups. 2. Keep Chrome updated to protect against security threats. 3. Be careful what you click. Don't allow notifications from untrusted sites. 4. Use a good antivirus to detect malicious activity. By following these steps, your online experience will be much smoother and safer. Background music fades in. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Dezco Morgan, for more tech tips. Have you had issues with annoying notifications before? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. End screen with subscribe button and related video suggestions. How to turn off notifications in Chrome. B-roll. Chrome settings menu on screen. First, let's go over the simplest way to disable notifications in Chrome. It's super easy. Screen recording. Dezco walks through these steps while explaining. 1. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. 2. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. 3. Scroll down and find Notifications. 4. Here you can block all notifications or just specific sites. Cut to Dezco on camera. With these settings, you can control which sites are allowed to send you notifications and which ones are completely blocked. Why should you disable notifications? B-roll. Illustration of spam notifications and pop-ups. You might be wondering, why should I disable notifications? Aren't they sometimes useful? Yes, but there are a few important reasons to be cautious. 1. Spam and annoying ads. Many websites misuse notifications to send spam or unwanted ads. 2. Phishing and malware risks. Some notifications contain dangerous links that can lead to phishing sites or malware downloads. 3. Privacy and data security. Certain websites track your activity and use notifications to collect your data. Cut to Dezco. So, for better security, it's best to control these notifications or disable them completely. Extra Chrome security tips. B-roll. Security icons like a lock and warning signs. Besides turning off notifications, here are some additional security tips to improve your browsing safety. 1. Use Chrome's Enhanced Protection Mode. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Security. Select Enhanced Protection. 2. Be careful with website permissions. Don't allow sites to access notifications, location or camera unless absolutely necessary. 3. Use security extensions. Try uBlock Origin to block ads and trackers. 4. Always keep Chrome updated. New updates include security patches that protect against new threats. Cut to Dezco. And don't forget to clear your cookies and cache regularly to keep your data safe. So, that's how you can disable Chrome notifications and boost your online security. Pretty simple, right? B-roll. Chrome settings showing notifications turned off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've had issues with annoying notifications. Outro with light music and a subscribe animation.